This is the Pruvio 4-camera dash cam. Like, this is the monster of all dash cams out there. It does shoot in 1080p, but check this out. You have one here, and the cameras on the side. These are like for your inside cameras to show your driver's seat and passenger seat. You can also kind of swivel it around however you need to, one way or the other, and tilt it in so it does tilting and panning. Or you can go outside if you want some more angles from the sides, however you want. And then on the front, you have a camera as well that you can tilt up, and looks really, really nice. Now, there's several ways that you can mount this. You can mount this on your windshield, and it actually is a very strong suction mount. Like, you can see it, it's very solid, it doesn't move. Or you can use one of these adhesive mounts, so you can mount this on your dash or even just the windshield with adhesive, and that works as well. They'll give you 2 of those. On the rig itself, there is a screen where you can go through your settings, and you could change things like your loop time recording. You get up to 3 minutes of looping. And you can also change the G sensor. So if there's some kind of an accident or impact, you can set how high of impact you want it to start recording automatically. Otherwise, you can hit the button to hit record, and you can also go through and change some other settings on there. But mainly the cool thing is you have all 4 cameras at the same time showing on the screen, and you can even cycle through those cameras depending on how you want, because there is a back camera as well. That's the 4th camera. So you get the 4th camera that you can mount up on the back. A lot of people would probably put it on their window in the back. In this case, I'm just putting it under the spoiler. And then you have a long cable that you can run through the car. You snake it through and plug it in to this spot right here on the monitor that says rear camera. On top of that, you have a micro SD card slot, and it does come with a micro SD card, and you have your power that goes to your car charger. Setup is extremely easy. You just follow the instructions on the app, and you'll have this thing up and running within 5 minutes. It is such a great app, too. It's probably one of the better ones that I've seen as far as ease of use and easy to figure out what you're doing with it. It also comes with some other accessories and ways to kind of have cable management so you don't have cables flying everywhere. But the quality of it, as you can see, it looks fantastic, and it's probably one of the coolest dash cams I've ever seen because of 4 cameras. You can almost have your own little reality TV show on here. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.